Hello to all young and old artists. Today I'm going to show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig. Let's start with the head. We'll draw a large trunk in the shape of the head. Now draw the two nostrils at the tip of the trunk. Draw two eyes of the same size next to the trunk. And draw two small ears on the head. Now draw a large smiling mouth on the face. Draw a round cheek at the top left of the mouth. Draw the dress directly under the head. Draw the left arm with 3 fingers. Then draw the right arm, also with 3 fingers. Draw the legs under the dress, each with a shoe. At the end of our drawing, we draw the curly tail. Now we have finished drawing Peppa Pig. Now I'll quickly show you how I colored Peppa Pig. I painted Peppa Pig's skin in pink. This includes the ears, face, arms, legs and curly tail. I used a dark pink for the round cheek. I painted the mouth in black. I painted Peppa Pig's dress in a bright red color. Finally, I painted the shoes in black. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.